In this video of FreeCAD, we're going to talk about Boolean operations in FreeCAD. Boolean operations, as the name suggests, are the operations like where we are adding, subtracting, we are creating union, or we are doing common, especially in between two parts. So let's see how that is feasible in case of FreeCAD. And by the way, if you are new here, want to be part of our FreeCAD journey, where we are covering complete FreeCAD course for absolutely free from beginning to the end, all you need to do here is you need to subscribe to Engineering Pritam. Alright, so let's get back to the topic, which is Boolean operation. Sometimes it can be also useful when we would like to create core and cavity, let's say in case of injection molding or casting, especially when you do not have dedicated module available. So let's see how we can perform Boolean operation. For that, here you can see we already have got this one body, and let's say I would like to create cavity of it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create another body, and now inside this body, let's plot a sketch. Let's hit here on fit to all, and now I'm going to select the center, and now here let me quickly give it a dimension. Let's give this 180, and probably from the center also I can give it like 90, and this one as well like 180. And there you go, our sketch is fully constrained. So let's click on close, and now I'm gonna do pad, and let's do pad on both sides. So I'm gonna go symmetric to plane, and let's make increase the height to 30 mm. Alright, so this is how it look. Now the next thing here I'm gonna do is I am going to click on Boolean operation, and now I'm gonna click on add body, and I'm gonna select this body, and of course this body. And after selecting the body, let's click here and see what are the options we have. So fuse is more of A union B. So if I simply want to, create union, or simply I would like to merge them together, I can use fuse. But here probably I would like to create core and cavity of it. So for that, I think cut will be the thing that makes more sense. So let's click here on cut. Now I'm going to click OK. Now here you can see there is only single body exist. Now you might think of, oh, then what we did? Well, my friend, let me go here on the top and change the view from as is or shaded to wireframe. And there you go. So here you can see we have created this perfect cavity. And of course, if I really would like to convert it into a practical mold, maybe we need to create a parting line, and then of course we require sliders as well. For those who are from injection molding background, they might know what I mean. Now what I'm gonna do here is to show you, I'm gonna go and maybe I'm gonna change this back to shaded, and probably I guess no shading will work better. Now let's go here and click on view, and let's go here and select on clipping plane. I'm gonna say this is my clipping plane, and if I change the value of X, and here you can see how it look like. Maybe this is also again not a great example. Let me choose another option, which is persistent section cutout. Now here probably I can again select cutting Z. So cutting Z makes more sense, and here I can see how the cavity is being created inside this plate. Alright, so that's how guys we can do Boolean operation. All we need is two different body, and then we can select what exactly we want to do. So that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow us along, as in this channel we cover several mechanical engineering topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.